Good going, guys. Franny, say hi. Do you got school tomorrow? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes. Look at Papa.
Oh, that's a pretty big guy. Okay, how about we be nice? Zachary, how old are you going to be on your birthday?
4.
And what do you want on your cake?
Mintar. You didn't say you wanted George. You said you wanted what? Here, dark nuggets. Mintar or fruit. You
Who?
can't have 2 cakes. I only had 1. You can't have 2 cakes. I know. I want my Mintar. What you? You can't have. Okay, you wanted human torch when you turn 4, and then when you turn 5.